Does your WordPress site feel slow or sluggish? Media files could be the culprit. Optimizing your media usage can supercharge your site's performance, reduce load times, and improve the user experience. Today, I'll be sharing some tips to optimize media on WordPress and keep your website running smoothly. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high-performance hosting your WordPress site deserves. If you're running a WordPress site, you know how important images, videos, and other media are in engaging visitors. But they can also slow down your site if not optimized properly. In this video, we're going to explore some key strategies to help you manage media effectively and keep your WordPress site fast and responsive. Let's get started. Embedding videos directly into your WordPress media library might seem convenient, but it's a surefire way to slow down your site. Video files are large and hosting them locally takes up valuable server resources. Instead, it's best to embed videos from external platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. These platforms are optimized for streaming video and take the burden off your server, improving load times for your visitors. To embed a video, simply copy the URL from YouTube or Vimeo and paste it directly into the WordPress editor. WordPress automatically converts the URL into an embedded video player, making the process quick and easy. This way, you get the benefits of video content without sacrificing your site's performance. Lazy loading is a smart way to optimize how images and videos are loaded on your site. Normally, when someone visits a page, all media files are loaded at once, even those below the fold that visitors might not see. With lazy loading, media files are only loaded as they come into view, which significantly reduces initial load times. WordPress 5.5 introduced built-in lazy loading for images, but for videos or other media, you may need a plugin like Lazy Load by WP Rocket or A3 Lazy Load. This technique improves user experience by speeding up the time it takes for your page to become interactive. It's particularly useful for pages with lots of images or long blog posts, as users won't experience lag while waiting for all the content to load. Large image files can drastically slow down your website. To avoid this, it's essential to compress and optimize your images before uploading them to WordPress. Tools like TinyPNG or WP Smush can reduce image file sizes without sacrificing quality. Compressed images load faster, consume less bandwidth, and improve overall site performance. Additionally, be sure to use the correct image formats. JPEGs are great for photographs, while PNGs work better for logos and images with transparent backgrounds. Reducing the dimensions of your images to the exact size they'll be displayed on your site can also make a big difference in load times. Another way to optimize media usage on your WordPress site is to implement a content delivery network. A CDN stores copy of your media files across multiple servers around the world. When a user visits your site, the CDN delivers the files from the server closest to them, significantly reducing load times. A CDN is especially useful if your website attracts a global audience, as it ensures that visitors in different locations experience faster load times. Many hosting providers, including Rapyd Cloud, offer easy integration with CDN services like Cloudflare, making it a simple but effective way to boost performance. Optimizing your media is crucial for maintaining a fast, responsive WordPress site, and choosing the right hosting provider is just as important. With Rapyd Cloud's high-performance hosting, your WordPress site benefits from powerful resources that ensure smooth operation even with media-heavy content. Our platform is designed to handle the demands of modern websites, and with our CDN integrations, media optimization becomes even easier. Whether you're embedding videos, compressing images, or using lazy loading, Rapyd Cloud ensures your site stays fast and efficient. Click the link in the description to learn more about how Rapyd Cloud can elevate your WordPress experience. And there you have it! 4 powerful tips to optimize your media usage on WordPress. By following these strategies, you can improve your site's speed, boost SEO, and enhance the user experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more WordPress and hosting tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.